there by my Jeep is a big stack of pallets, a couple stacks. Some of the dirt that's come out of the pit, some of the rocks that's come out of the pit, the gabion wall and rock wall that I made from some of the rocks that came out of the pit. Looking down into the pit, big rock that's not coming out. Brought a few pallets down just to get a rough idea of about what it'll look like. I think it's going to end up being a little bit higher than what that is even. Got pallets and the new greenhouse that's going in over here. It's going to be back in that corner. That'll be my new living space. Living in a pit. Down here out of the wind. Surrounded by berms and the rock wall. I'll still have a nice view of the butte though. Okay. Here's the 2-cent tour.